this video. In this video we will see what is Get Started and how to use it. Get Started works like our setup assistant, which will help us to learn the tool in a quicker way. So this is the Get Started feature which is available on EkaCare. So when we click on it, we can find the set of tasks which will help us to guide in using the tool. Let's say we want to learn how to set up UHID. In that case, we can simply click on this option. We'll be taken to UHID configuration. Here we can make the necessary changes. Let's say we want to set the prefix as ADH and starts from as 0, and we click on Save Changes. Our UHID configuration is set up. Now similarly, when we come back and when we click on this option, we'll be able to see that setup UHID is completed. This way we have to finish all the tasks one by one in order to learn the tool quickly. This is like a quick start so that we can instantly learn the tool on the account itself on ourselves. So let's see one more. Let's click on Setup Message Configuration. So we'll be taken to message configuration. This is where we can set up our message configuration. So let's say digital prescription needs to be sent to patient's WhatsApp and not to SMS. We can simply disable it for SMS. This way all the message types can be configured here. After making the necessary changes, we should click on Save Changes in order to apply all the changes that we have done. When we come back and click on this option, we'll find that the percentage is moving forward. So once it reaches to 100% is when we can consider that we have learned the tool completely. This is how Get Started feature will help us to learn the tool one by one in setting up certain configurations, in learning the tool on whole. Thank you for watching.